Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Shopify Payments to your bank account, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from Shopify Payments to your bank account is a straightforward process. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings tab located at the bottom left corner of the screen. In the Settings menu, click on Payments. Look for the Shopify Payments section and select Manage. Here, you will see the option for bank account information. If you haven't already linked a bank account, click on Edit to enter your banking details. Make sure to provide accurate information, including your bank account number and routing number. After entering your bank details, save the changes. Next, return to the main Shopify Payments page. You will see a summary of your payout schedule. Shopify typically processes payouts every few days, depending on your store's payment settings. If you want to check your payout status, look for the Payouts section in the Shopify Payments area. Click on Payouts to view detailed information about each transaction. This section will show you the date of your next payout and the amount being transferred. Once Shopify processes your payout, it will be sent directly to the bank account you provided. Keep an eye on your bank account for the transfer. If the payout does not appear within a few business days, double-check your banking information for errors. You can also contact Shopify support for assistance if needed. Monitor your payouts regularly to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. For any updates or changes to your banking details, return to the Payments section. By following these steps, you can easily withdraw your earnings from Shopify Payments to your bank account. This process ensures you have access to your funds with minimal hassle. Now you are ready to manage your payouts effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.